Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trade Club. In this video, we will talk about the MACD indicator. But before we start, you can click subscribe button below and you will get notification when we upload a new video. Now, let's get started. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, is a trend-following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages. The MACD is calculated by subtracting the 26-period exponential moving average, EMA, from the 12-period EMA. We are using TradingView to use this indicator. Go to tradingview.com or you can click link in description below and sign up for a free account. In free account, you can get access up to 3 indicator for free. Now, go to chart and click on indicator. Search for MACD and click on it. Now you can see the MACD indicator on bottom of your chart. You can see the MACD has 2 lines. The blue line, or we call the MACD line, and the orange line, or we call the signal line. The rule of using MACD. In this test, we will test it only at Euro-USD market. We will use 1 hour time frame. When you see the blue line, or MACD line, crossing above the orange line, or signal line, you can do buy or long transaction. If the blue line, or MACD line crossing below the orange line, you can do sell or short transaction. We will use 1:2 risk-reward ratio with 1% of risk for single trade. You can set the stop loss to 20 pips and the take profit to 40 pips. Backtesting MACD indicator. Now let's test the indicator for 100 times trade. The starting balance of this test is $1,000. We will use 1:2 risk-reward ratio with 1% of risk for single trade. If we loss, we will lose $10. And if it profit, we will get $20. Our entry rule is, when the blue line, crossing above the orange line, we do buy transaction. If the blue line, crossing below the orange line, we do sell transaction. We set the stop loss to 20 pips and the take profit to 40 pips. Now, let's get started. Before we talk about the result, please subscribe and like this video to support our channel. We can see the result of the MACD indicator. The MACD indicator has 46 profit trade and 54 loss trade. It means on 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, the MACD indicator has 46% of win rate. The consecutive profit is 5 trade in a row, and the consecutive loss is 5 in a row. The account start from $1,000 and end up at $1,380 with 38% account growth. Even this indicator has win rate below 50%, it still make your account grow. Thanks to the 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Now, we want to tell you the pros and the cons of this indicator. The pros of using this indicator is the indicator very easy to use, even you are a beginner in Forex trading. Even this strategy is a simple strategy, this strategy can make your account grow. But the MACD indicator is very bad at ranging or sideways area. If you trade using this indicator in ranging area, you will get a loss streak. We will try to combine this strategy with another indicator in other video to make this indicator more accurate. So, that's all about the simple trading strategy using MACD indicator. I hope you can understand the content of the video and like the video. Please support this channel by giving a like and subscribing to this channel so we can develop in the future. See you in the next video.